Okay, your pattern is everything is done, but one thing is not done. I will show you. One thing is side slit. You can going to add side slit around 22 inches is fine. 2 inches above the hip, above the hip line. This is your side slit. This side slit. Okay. Yeah, this is your side slit. This one your kurti is done. If you don't wear very tight kurti, don't add the front dart. If you wearing tight kurti, you can add front dart. If you need loose kurti, you don't add the dart. Okay. And one more thing, I will explain to you how to make waistline with this kurti, waist seam line. Okay. You can just cut the waist seam. This is your waistline. This is your waistline. Body is separate and inside body also separate. Okay. I think you understand. If you make like this, you can just cut directly. If you make separately, you can make body separate and you can make inside body separate and attach together. Okay. This is this waistline only for the styling. Only for the styling, otherwise unnecessary. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can comments me. I will I will explain to you any doubt. Okay, bye guys.